Hello and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome and welcome to Quick Math class. So we have here this particular question. It says if x is raised to power AC multiplied by x raised to power BC is equal to x raised to power 30, where x is greater than 1 and a plus b is equal to 5, what is the value of c? So we're looking for c here. All right, so remember, in the law of exponents, when you have the same base multiplying each other, what happens to their powers? Their powers add up. So let's quickly simplify this. So this would be x AC plus BC equal to x raised to power what? 30. So from here we can cancel out x since they're the same base on different side of the equation. And what we have left, we have AC plus what? BC equal to what? 30. So remember, we're told that AB is equal to 5 and we're looking for C. So what can we do? We can factor out C. Let's factor out C. So this would be C in parentheses A plus B equal to 30. So definitely now we know that A plus B is 5. So this would be 5. So this would be C times 5, right? So C times 5 would be what? 5C equal to 30. Can you see this? I know the first time, when you just see this question, you'll be like, oh my God, what will I do? It looks like is it like Fourier series and all that. So with there are several letters, but you've been given clues to how to solve this, all right? And you're looking for C, you're not even looking for X or B or A. All right, so all you need to do is use the parameters to help you out in solving this. So from here we divide by 5, we divide by 5, this would cancel, and C will be what? 30 divided by 5 is 6. So our answer here is A. All right, so thank you and see you in our next quick math class. And don't forget finally that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. He's the one who's going to lead you to heaven at last and give you peace right here on earth. Come to Him today. All right, so don't forget, from us, from DTW Tutorials, you are destined to win. See you in our next video.